Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show underway. Let me get you guys a little bit of box action. Get this done. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG black, metallic silver, and white, or Bordeaux metallic silver and white. I apologize everybody. It's a Jordan 1 Bordeaux staring pair. Let's get this done, guys. Materials of this shoe aren't bad. Thing seems okay. Bordeaux laces in the shoe. Get an extra pair of white laces. I didn't even notice. It's a stock X pair at the same time. Extra white laces. Overall good shoe. I managed to get this shoe in my size, as well as staring pairs and pairs to sell to other people who actually wanted it and for some odd reason couldn't find it. Like I said, I found them for way under retail. Everywhere I go, they were sitting. So I don't know how other people couldn't find them, but maybe they just didn't have the time. But that's what I do for people. So if you can pick this shoe up, I recommend you pick it up. In my opinion, it's not a bad colorway. Even though everybody's saying the Jordan 1 silhouette is dead. See, Bordeaux toe. Tumbled leather white background. Silver Nike swoosh. Silver Jordan logo as well. It's like it's covered in plastic though. Normal Jordan back. Let me show you guys this plastic jump, man. Hope you guys can make that out, but it's like it's encased inside the Jumpman. Bordeaux back with white and silver breakup. Same on this side. A little bit of tongue action. Nothing spectacular. Bordeaux Jordan 1 bottom. Like I said, I picked these up for under retail, so like I said, if you guys can find them for under retail, I think they're even going for low on StockX and GOAT. Definitely pick this shoe up if you're a Jordan 1 fan. Like I said, I can't see why you wouldn't want a pair of these. Give you guys a look at what the shoe's going to look like when it's on your foot. Remember, let me know what Jordans you guys want to see, or any shoe you guys want to see on the next video. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Everybody make sure you stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!